We all know how different we are. But there is something we have in common. What we do with deep passion and faith. Because we are gamers. For us, it doesn't matter where you came from. It doesn't matter where you're going. What truly matters is who you want to become today. Introducing Yaw2, the next generation motion simulator and smart chair from Yaw2. Yaw2 is designed for gaming. High precision motion control with extremely low latency. High speed and dynamic motion range. Compact and modular design. Large ergonomic desk for gaming accessories. Built-in vibration.
Left 4 over long crest, 100, right 6 over jump, continues for 100 over bump, 100 past junction, crest.
Yaw2 is perfect for working. Large working space for your keyboard, mouse, and laptop. Replaceable seat for personalized comfort. Built-in timer for scheduling meetings and drinking or break time. Posture correcting assistance for your health. Time to take a break? Choose your favorite relaxing music and program, then sit back and enjoy the peaceful relaxation in your Yaw2. Don't miss out on the exclusive pricing on Kickstarter. Pre-order Yaw2 now and step into the next level of gaming and working. Yaw2, the next generation motion simulator and smart chair from Yaw2.